Thutha wa makiria ma miaka 30 ya mutaratara wa githomo wa 844, thirikari ni yambiriirie mubango wa gucenjia mutaratara uyu gukirikana ni urekerera muno uhoro wigie igerio na ndurahe arutwo umenyo uria urabatarania kumahe mawira. Na kuri mweri-ini wa gatano mwaka-ini wa 2017, thirikari kugerera ministry ya githomo ikiambiriria kugeria mutaratara mweru macukuru-ini ma muthingi 47 guothe bururi-ini.
That curriculum is looking at what we describe as 21st century skills. We are preparing our children to operate in a new globalized competitive environment so that they develop the skills they will need to successfully operate in that environment.
Mihango ino igithie na mbere gukigia na ngarari gatagati ka nyitite miruhonge-ini rwa githomo, amwe makiuga thirikari ndeigite mitaratara mirumu ta kuhaririria arutani guthondeka indo cia guthomithia ta mabuku gatagati ka maundu mangi.
Even 844 was piloted for 4 years before rollout, and CBC, it cannot be piloted in 6 months. We raised these professional alarms and professional steps. Nobody listened to us.
No ona thengia wa maya kiambiriria-ini kia mwaka uyu uria wari minista wa githomo Dr. Fred Matiang'i akianirira ati mutaratara uyu ni ukwambiriria kuhuthika irathi-ini cia thi macukuru-ini ma muthingi.
We are now ready to move on with the rollout of activities for 2018, which will include the countrywide rollout in a total of 33,000 schools, because we are doing this in public and private schools.
Na thutha wa mwaka umwe wa arutwo kuma kirathi kia nathari nginyagia gia gatatu guthomithio rungu rwa mutaratara uyu mweru, minista wa githomo Amina Mohammed akiuga kuri na riciria ria kurugamia. Ikinya riri rikiamukirio na njira nene ni arutani rungu rwa mwandiki wa kiama kiao kia Nat Wilson Sosion uria ukoretwo muhari-ini wa mbere kuga ni riciria riega no ni rirabatara kuheo ihinda niguo gukinyanira na njira njega.
We thank and salute Ambassador Amina Mohammed for being a cabinet secretary who is straightforward and honest and who has advised the country and the nation. What this country needs, competency-based curriculum. That we are in agreement. There's no doubt about it. But it cannot be rolled out the way it was rolled.
No na kuri uguo Sosion ni eheretie nganja iria ingikorwo iguru ria ciana iria irambiririe mutaratara uyu mweru, akiuga ona mathie na mbere na guthoma 844 gutire handu makurira.
I don't think learners are losing anything, I want to believe as we recourse, the piloting is designed in such a manner that the children don't get hurt.
Mubango wa thirikari urari gugikinya mwaka-ini wa 2027 mutaratara wa 844 wehere fiu kuona niguo arutwo a muthia aria marari kirathi gia kana mwaka uyu marabatie gukorwo makirikia mathomo mao, undu uria riu uroneka ukiaga gukinyanira amuno nginya nyitite miruhonge-ini rwa githomo macokanie baranginyo niguo matigirira maundu mothe maria mabatie gwikwo uhaririria-ini wa mutaratara uyu mweru wa mathomo ni makinyanirio na njira igwete. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wangui wa Mwangi.